Hi, so today I'll be showing you how to make this velvet flowered headband turban fascinator. But before I go in, it's Nkechi from the Vents, and I love showing you how to make great and lovely fascinator designs. So let's get into today's tutorial. Here are what we'll be needing: your measurement tape and this circular pads that I cut out using that circular object. The diameter of this pad is 3.5. This is the thickest, hardest pad, okay, like carton. Then you'll be needing another circular object. The diameter of this one is 1.5. okay, and that's what I used to make the rose from this velvet material that my client gave me. Material is really so fine with stones and all that, so I used it and cut out to make the roses. Now this is your Alice band, the thinnest Alice band, needle and thread, matching thread, scissors, and your uhu gum. And also we'll be making use of black bias. Yes, you see where we're going to make use of this, and pegs. Okay, so let's get into today's training. So the first thing you're going to do is you check which of the pad is smaller. Yes, you're going to cut one pad a bit smaller than the other one so that you can, when you put it underneath, it's not visible. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to use my uhu gum and place it all around one. Now how you're going to do it is the one that is bigger will be the one that is on top, and the smaller one, just slightly smaller diameter, like 3.4, since the top is 3.5, will be underneath. Okay, so that's how I place it. You place it where you want it to be. Now getting to what the client wants from this material. She wants a fascinator that she's going to put on her turban. That's why I called it turban fascinator. It's a headband turban fascinator. So what we're making now, she's going to putting it on top of a turban. All right, so now I'm putting the uhu gum on the other layer. Okay, and I'm going to take it and place it on top like so. Okay, then I'm going to use my hand and press it firmly. Okay, like so. Alright, just in case you're hearing any noise, ignore it. I couldn't video at the normal time. I couldn't edit the video at the normal time I normally do, so I'm kind of doing a rush up work now to ensure you get the video out today. So if you're just joining me for the first time, please do click that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified of any of my new videos that I upload. Just take some time out now, pause the video, look down, you see the subscribe button, click it, and then the bell. Okay, let's get back to today's training. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is take your bias. Now the bias can be a matching color to the velvet material that you have, or any material actually that you want to use and make it. And you're going to use the velvet material, the bias, to wrap the pad, the joint pad that you have made. You're going to use it to wrap it around. Now why you're doing this is just in case your flower is unable to cover or some part shows, it will just blend in with the flower. So I'm going to be doing this all the way around, so keep watching and learning. So if you like this video and you're enjoying it so far, please do click the thumbs up button below to let me know you are gaining value. Okay, so we're making use of pegs. Now remember that why we use pegs is so that we work faster. So you don't have to be using your hand and holding the bias till it dries. You just keep on moving as you're using the pegs. So keep watching and learn. Remember, at the end of my videos there's always a gift or a promo or a bonus or something, so you want to stay to the very end of this video to know what I have for you in this video. Okay, after we're done, we take the roses that we have made. Now, if you want to know how to make these roses, you just check the description below. You'll see Divine Craft Academic Reception. Join the link and ask for Brush Class 3 and you'll get to know how to make those roses. So back to today's training. So these are the roses we have made using 1.5 inch. Remember I showed you that. So I'm going to be placing it all around, starting from the middle of the pad that we have placed on top of the Alice band. So keep watching and learning. You know, you could actually use any flower for this, so you can also go to the market and buy if you do not want to make. You probably have a quick order, but if you want to make these lovely ones, you just head over to the Vendcraft Academy training. Thank you. Okay, so as you can see, we had a remaining space and the material the client gave had finished. So of course, that's why we do millinery and we love to design. And so I came up with a new one. Why not just cut out the stones from the remaining pieces and just put it all around the left outside? But I got to know that it was not going to finish as I was doing, that the roses wouldn't go around. So I thought of, and I was like, oh yeah, if I put the stones there, it would come out fine. So you can put your flowers all around if it's enough. If it's not enough, I'm sure you're creative like I am. So you just come up with something and create something. So you see how it turned out. I believe it turned out fine. So do let me know in the comment section. Did it turn out fine? Seeing that the rose did not go round. Did it turn out fine? Let me know in the comment section. Alright, keep watching and learning. Okay, so this is how it turned out. You can see the space at that place, how it looks, but I think it turned out fine. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section what you think. So for staying with me till the very end of this video, the first 3 people to say I stayed till the end get to join the Vendcraft Academy Pros Class 3 for free. Alright then, so till my next video, stay tuned and God bless.